Okay, it's day 2. I already did a couple laps. This it feels fucking amazing. It feels great. Everything seems to still be doing good here. Everything's still tight. I raised up this to make it have more pressure, so I got a little bit of more clearance up in here, so it's not slapping the top right there. Yeah, everything feels good. This course, this reverse layout is fucking insane. It's so quick, it's so fast, and it feels amazing. If I can get it down in the next couple hours, I'd like to start doing some tandems. I think that would be awesome. I think that would be really, really cool on this course. I don't know if I'd try and get real close because this is a rowdy course for sure. Absolutely rowdy. It's not super technical. It's just balls to the wall the entire time. So, let's fucking get it. Yeah, this is a fun track. That is a rowdy track.
That's awesome.
Oh my god. It's like that's crazy.
People are already going ham.
Yeah. We fucking rolling right out the gate, boy. This track's fun as shit.
Alright, I'm done.
Go for it.
Just gotta get some harnesses in here.
I know, right? Yeah, no, I haven't done anything to the seats or seat belts or anything, and
I don't think you really need the harnesses for drifting as much as like drag racing.
yeah. Get some fucking AC rolling in here.
You got AC?
Yeah, dude, I got AC.
AC.
Like I told you, I want to keep it stock as fuck. All the niceties.
Yeah, keep the AC for sure in Louisiana. That's crazy. The AC comes out the door panel.
Yeah.
That's an insane design.
Very interesting. That smells like pancakes or something. Oh my god.
That's his exhaust. He puts like grape stuff in there.
What the fuck? That's insane. Never heard of that before.
Even his used motor oil smells like grape. Dude, it's like being on a cloud in here.
I know, right? It's so nice.
It's so smooth. Holy crap. It's just locked in there. Dude, she feels great.
Dude, yeah.
I mean, that's amazing.
Yeah, I've definitely dialed this car in. I didn't have time to really mess with the setting on the front suspension.
Right.
I just kind of guessed.
It feels good.
It feels good. I guessed pretty damn well.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
No problem. Okay, boyos and boyettes, we're about to do our first tandem of the day. Get my seatbelt on. Are we doing doubles? You, me, and Dalton? Okay. Here we go, triples, boys. I don't like triples. I especially don't like being in the middle. But I am fairly confident with this kit in this angle that I can not fuck up. Knock on fucking wood. I wish I had my music though. I guess I'll just have to be my own music. Big stepper. Come on, I'm a leper. I'm on the mapper. Not the greatest. Dude, that track is just so hard to tandem. It's like, it's a lot. It's very rowdy. It's very rowdy. But he's fast, man. He's gotten a lot better. I felt like I kept up with him pretty quickly on the last time we tandem. What was that, like 2 events ago? Or was that last event? Yeah, like 2 events ago. Because I didn't really tandem last event. He's gotten quicker. He's absolutely. I'm pushing it, trying to dip and dive and get up close to him. That's fun, though. Okay, boyos and boyettes. We're going to get another tandem in. Just a twofer this time. Just a twofer. Bailey's actually in the passenger in Dalton's car, and they're going to get some footage of me. I don't know how good it's going to be, since they're going to be thrown around and everything. We shall see, I guess. I'm going to try and get on Dalton's ass a little bit. It's when I have to push myself to keep up with him, that's when I spin out. If he can have a good like lower level and not be pushing his car as much, then I can get decently close to him. But whenever I'm trying to dive bomb into him, cutting going on the inside of corners just to catch up, like, it's just... Oh, this is it. Oh, not it. You come follow me? Okay. Hell yeah. I miss my music. I miss my music. Woo! I'm running hot now. Fucking 230 or something. 235. People watching this who actually know things are probably like, that's not hot at all. I don't know shit, bruv. I just don't like it getting up towards 260. Another good drift event, surprisingly. That was Fall Matsuri, the October event that NODRFT usually puts on. Yeah, it was super fun. I enjoyed both the first day layout and the second day layout. The first day felt a bit more technical, and then the second day was just kind of like crazy, rowdy, fucking balls to the wall. It was great. Today was great. This weekend was great. Which is good considering all the bullshit I had to deal with leading up to it. The angle kit's good. Everything's running fine. It's not slapping the inside anymore. I bought those things off Connor, the stiffer springs and the longer threaded rod for the coilovers. I'm gonna put those on and maybe I'll be able to fit my fenders back on. Who knows? Who knows? If not, then I'm gonna look into over fenders and wide body kits and make a plan for that. If I can't do anything with the front bumper, then I'll probably just get a bash bar and be done with it. Rig something up for that. But yeah, it was super fun. The car performed really well. I was able to push it really hard, throw the car around a lot, and kind of learn the limits of the kit. Once I raise it up more, I can move that bump stop further in. But I had it further out because it was trying to hit the Heim joint, and yeah, it's just a pain. I just have a lot of problems from it being too low. But that'll all be remedied for the next event. Yeah, I don't really have much more to say. We got some good tandems in. I wish I got more tandems in the first day, since it was a more technical track, but the second day was where all the tandems were today. And it was fun, like party tandems, but not like competition, get real close. God, Dalton and his damn Mustang, it's so fucking fast. It's got so much power, and I'm like pushing my car so hard and like dive bombing, taking the corners real close, trying to catch up to him, and it's hard. It's hard trying to catch up to him. But it works perfectly because he's in the front, I'm in the middle, and then Scooter's in the back with the G35. And so it's like by power level. He's got the highest, I got the middle, and then Scooter's got the lowest. And so we're all just trying to catch up to each other. It's funny. But I enjoyed it. I should be doing some sort of project. So there will be another video before EYB. EYB is going to be crazy. We're going to have a bunch of night drifting, possibly. I might do a couple laps and see if I like it. If not, then I won't be doing night drifting. I'll have to slap some light bars on the car so I can see what the hell's going on. But it'll be interesting. Come on out to that one. Bring a helmet. Get some ride-alongs with people. Be super fun. Yep.